Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade on this 30th day of July 2025. And we're going to go back to our old friend, the strong candle indicator. Samurai Day Traders, one of their exclusive indicators right here, indicates when a candle is very strong. We should take it in the direction that the candle is pointing. So in this case, we have a beautiful failure here at the S1. We had a very strong candle going in the opposite direction. So we're going to take that back. Now you see the um I expect the next candle to be somewhere around 200 ticks long. We had FOMC today, so we're going to make our ATM a little bit larger. We're going to go for 40s on the first target, 100s and 200s. This is a trade taken in the room today by myself and other people in the room. So let's see how it all went. Boom, we got the retrace. We got to stick our I know I had time because I remember the retrace was pretty big. Put our order on, wait for it to come pick us up, put our stop where it belongs. You can see it's quite a bit of risk today, but we're going to go ahead and do that because the signal is that strong. So we'll just keep it at regular market speed until we get picked up in it, and then we'll see how it all goes. So no need to rush. The retrace is perfect, exactly what we're looking for. Now it's an additional failure point in the market. If it picks us up, and we'll just wait to get our 40 tick target enter. We're going to de-risk the trade at 40s and see what happens if we get our runners to 100 and 200. Taking a little bit longer to get there than I remembered, but it was that kind of day. All right, here it comes. There we go. First thing we got to do is put our stop where it belongs. And as soon as as soon as we get our first target taken out, we're in a break-even position. Plenty of room for the market to go up and down in this area, just in case it wants to. And we can't lose any money on this trade. Now, I can move it up to +1 if I want, but I want to at least wait until I get my second target out on this. We do have a little bit of a brick wall here. Weekly weekly high or low, weekly close. It is causing us some problems, but we'll just have to wait. We'll go ahead and speed it up a little bit so we're not here all day. If it does come back and take me out at break even, I can put another order on and we'll go from there. But I don't think we need to do that here if I remember properly. Now we are going for some pretty big target there. Our second target's out. Brilliant. Now we're into the gap, so I think we might have taken, got to 200s. There you go. All right. Brilliant. That candle, that took about almost the entire 5 minute candle. And that trade right there was worth 1,905 US dollars and took less than 5 minutes to complete. So if you want to learn how to make $1,900 in less than 5 minutes, come join us in the Samurai Day Trading live trading room at samuraidaytrading.com. Samuraidaytrading.com. We'll look forward to seeing you in the LTR real soon. God bless, and we'll see you next time.